Ah!
What's wrong, Nadia?
I don't know, Mother. My stomach hurts.
It must be the orange juice.
But I've only had 3 glasses of orange juice.
Well, orange juice is sour, so it is acidic. And you haven't eaten since morning. 3 glasses is a lot to drink on an empty stomach. That's why your stomach is hurting now.
Nadia's mother is correct. Orange juice is an acidic drink. Our food and drinks can be acidic or alkaline. How do we identify which food and drinks are acidic or alkaline? Think about this. We can group food and drinks as acidic or alkaline by their tastes. Acidic food and drinks usually taste sour. Alkaline food and drinks usually taste bitter. Here are some food and drinks. Which of these food and drinks are acidic? Which of these food and drinks are alkaline? Why do you say so? Drag the food and drinks to the correct boxes. Pickles, apple juice and lime juice taste sour. These food and drinks are acidic. The garlic, celery and onion taste bitter. These food and drinks are alkaline. Now, find different kinds of food and drinks. Taste the food and drinks to find out whether they are acidic or alkaline. Record your findings in a table in your exercise book. Click Check to see which food and drinks are acidic and which are alkaline. We can group food and drinks as acidic or alkaline by their tastes. Acidic food and... How do we identify acidic or alkaline substances without tasting them? These are litmus papers. Litmus papers have 2 different colors: the blue litmus paper and the red litmus paper. We can use litmus papers to identify acidic or alkaline substances. Let's carry out this activity to identify acidic and alkaline substances. You will need 2 milliliters of lime juice, 2 milliliters of baking soda in water, 2 petri dishes, 2 pieces of blue litmus paper, 2 pieces of red litmus paper. Pour the lime juice and baking soda into different dishes. Put a piece of blue and red litmus papers into each dish. Observe the litmus papers. Do the litmus papers change color in any of the substances? Record your observations in a table in your exercise book. What can you say about your observations? Discuss this with your friends. Then click on the table. It is an acidic substance. The blue litmus paper turned red in this acidic substance. The red litmus paper did not change color in this acidic substance. Baking soda tastes bitter. It is an alkaline substance. The red litmus paper turned blue in this alkaline substance. The blue litmus paper did not change color in this alkaline substance. Here is some cooking oil. Is the cooking oil acidic or alkaline? Put the blue and red litmus papers into the cooking oil to find out. Then observe the litmus papers. Do the litmus papers change color when put into the cooking oil? Record your observations in a table in your exercise book. What can you say about your observations? Is the cooking oil an acidic or alkaline substance? Discuss this with your friends. Then click on the cooking oil. Both the blue and red litmus papers did not change color when put into the cooking oil. This shows that cooking oil is not an acidic or alkaline substance. It is a neutral substance. Some substances can be dangerous and should never be tasted. How do we know if substances are acidic or alkaline? Litmus papers can be used to find out if these substances are acidic, alkaline, or neutral. Here are some substances. Put the blue and red litmus papers into each substance. Observe the change in the color of the litmus papers. Which substances are acidic, alkaline, or neutral? Record your observations in a table in your exercise book. Then click Check to compare your results. The blue litmus paper turned red when put into the grape juice and the soft drink. This shows that grape juice and the soft drink are acidic substances. The red litmus paper turned blue when put into the liquid detergent and bleach. This shows that liquid detergent and bleach are alkaline substances. The blue and red litmus papers did not change color in distilled water. This shows that distilled water is a neutral substance. Do you get the same result as this? we have carried out some activities with different substances. Tasting the substances. Carrying out litmus paper tests. The results show that substances can be grouped as acidic, alkaline, or neutral. Let's look at the properties of acidic, alkaline, and neutral substances. Acidic substances usually taste sour. Blue litmus paper turns red when it is put into an acidic substance. Red litmus paper does not change color when it is put into this substance. Alkaline substances usually taste bitter. Blue litmus paper does not change color when it is put into an alkaline substance. Red litmus paper turns blue when it is put into this substance. Both blue and red litmus papers do not change color in a neutral substance. There are many acidic, alkaline, and neutral substances around us. We can identify them by their properties. Let's take a look at the different properties. The blue litmus paper turns red when put into acidic substances. The red litmus paper does not change color when put into acidic substances. The blue litmus paper does not change color when put into alkaline substances. The red litmus paper turns blue when put into alkaline substances. The blue litmus paper does not change color when put into neutral substances. The red litmus paper does not change color when put into neutral substances. Acidic food and drinks usually taste sour. Alkaline food and drinks usually taste bitter.